How to download Roblox on a PC or laptop. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to download and install Roblox on your Windows PC or laptop. And if this video helps you, consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, because that really helps me out. So to get started with downloading and installing Roblox on our computer, the first thing we need to do is simply go down to the Windows Start button in the bottom left, select it, and then just type Store. Now in the best match, you should see Microsoft Store. Go ahead and select that. And this will open up the Microsoft Store on your PC. Once the Microsoft Store opens up, go up to the search bar at the very top and just search Roblox. From there, you should see Roblox right here from the Roblox Corporation. Select that. Once you select in the Roblox, you should see Get or you should see Install. If you see Get, go ahead and select Get and then select Install. This will then download and then install Roblox on your computer. Once Roblox is installed, you can select play, and then that will open it up on your computer, where then you can start playing Roblox. Now, if for some reason this method does not work for you, or you do not see Roblox in the Microsoft Store, the second method to install Roblox on our computer is to simply open a browser and navigate to roblox.com. Then log into your Roblox account, and once you're logged in, simply find a game that you want to play, select it, and then select the green play button. Now when you do this, it'll start looking for Roblox on your computer, and if it doesn't find it, it'll say download and install Roblox. Select that. Once you do that, you can save the Roblox Player Launcher to your computer, so save that, and then open up the Roblox Player Launcher that we just downloaded. It'll then start installing Roblox on your computer, and once it says OK, select OK. Then we can go back to Roblox, and when we open up a game and select the play button on that game, it'll then start opening up Roblox. You may have to select Open Link to actually open Roblox. And then as you can see, it's going to start opening Roblox on our computer, and then we can start playing Roblox on our PC or laptop. All right, so that's how you download, install, and then play Roblox on a PC or laptop. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips or tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.